Hello students, welcome to our channel. Now we are considering the chapter number 3, data handling from the class 7 mathematics. Already in the previous lecture we have seen the different types of data, how we collect them, how we organize them, and also we have seen the representative value. The first value we have seen arithmetic mean. We have seen the formula or definition how to calculate that. Mean is equals to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Then we have seen the second value, range of data. What is the range of data? It is the difference between highest value and lowest value. Then it is referred as a range of the given data. So here difference means what we have to get? Subtraction. What we have to do? Subtraction of highest observation and lowest observation, because we have to consider difference, so we are taking the subtraction. That already we have seen in the previous lecture. Now we are going to see third value, which is mode of data. That means third representative value, which is mode of data. So how we are going to define this? Very simple definition is there. The mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. Here word is used most often. Most often means it is repeated maximum number of times. What is the property here? It is repeated maximum number of times, and that is referred as a mode. Now we will understand this with the help of example. So first example we are going to consider where very small number of observations are given. Find the mode of the given set of numbers. So example 1 we are considering, find the mode of given set of numbers. Numbers are given 1 1, then 2 4 3 2 1 2 2 4. So these are the observations. Don't count the number of observations, that is not important here. Okay, now in the solution, first step is that we have to arrange all these numbers not in the ascending order or descending order. How to arrange these? According to their values. That means same values together. What we have to put? Same values together, like 1 1 1, they should be together, or 2 here, which is repeated, 2 is also repeated, so we have to put them together. So what is the arrangement now? 1 1 1, how many times it is repeated? 3 times. So how many times we have denoted it? 3 times. Then 2 2 2 2, how many times it is given? 4 times, so that we have wrote. After that 3, only one time. Then what is next number? Remaining number 4, which is repeated how many times? 2 times. So we have to just arrange the number with same values together. Now just count which number is repeated maximum times. You can see it easily. So 1 is repeated how many times? 3 times. 2 is repeated 4 times. 3 is repeated 1 time, and 4 is repeated 2 times. So here 2 is repeated 4 times and 1 is repeated 3 times. So which number is larger? 4. So obviously 4 is mode of the data, because it is occurs most often. So mode of the data is 2, because it occurs more frequently than other observations, or it is repeated maximum number of times. Okay, now this is for small number of observations. If number of observations are very large, that means number of observations are very large, in that case how to find the mode? That is also very important. So we'll see the next example where too many observations are given. You can see too many observations are there. Following are the margins of victory in the football matches of a league. So league matches are given. So here don't count how many observations are given. So we have to just find the mode of the data. Okay, too many observations are given. So we'll see the solution, how to solve that. Now for this we require table, and that table is referred as tally table. That means tally marks we have to use. You already seen it in a previous standard, tally marks. You know that how to insert the tally mark in a given table. So first of all we have to consider the victory margin. Okay, so tally bars, in order to draw the tally bars, what we have to consider? Margins of victory. Okay, now first of all, what is the lowest margin of victory? I think it is 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So highest margin of victory is 6 and lowest is 1. So we have recorded that margins of victory in the table in the ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. Now we have to put the tally marks. Okay. Don't count the total number of observations. We have to just put the tally mark in front of that margin victory. Okay. So we'll either you can take margins of victory one by one, or you can take the all observations one after another, and then you can put the tally marks in front of that margins of victory. Okay, so what is the first margins of victory? It is 1. Obviously first margin of victory is 1, so we have to put it in front of 1. Okay, so first tally mark is given. So there is maybe some wrong thing can be happen, so in order to solve it correctly, just cross the observation with the help of pencil. What you have to do, with the help of pencil, just cross the number or cross the observation, so the mistake will not happen. Okay, so next observation is 3, so you have to put it in front of 3. Then next is 2, so where we have to put it in front of 2. Then next 5, so it will go in front of 5. Okay, next is 1, so it will go in front of 1. So as you are putting the tally mark in the table, along with that you have to cross the number with the help of pencil, so that number will not repeat. Why we have to cross the given number? Because that number will not repeat. And don't count the number of observation, just one after another put down the tally mark in front of that particular margin of victory in the column tally bars. Okay, so next is, now we are up to 2, so it goes in front of 2. After 4 set is completed, we have to take one horizontal line, cross line, so we will get set of 5, so it will be easy to count. Set of 5 can be easily counted. So one after one another you have to just put down the tally marks in front of particular margin of victory. Along with that tally marks, you have to erase or you have to cut that number, so it will not repeat. Again I am saying that cut the number with the help of pencil. Okay, so that number will not repeated, so you can solve the correct answer, you can obtain the correct mode. So if one number goes anywhere, the whole answer will be wrong, so that's why it is necessary to cut the values. Okay, with the help of pencil, so later you can erase all the markings. Now we are here up to 2. Then next one is 1, then 5 in front of 5, then 3 in front of 3, we have to add that cross line, so set of 5 is completed. Again 3. Okay, 2, 3, next is 2, 4, then 2, then 1 in front of 1, and last is 2 in front of 2. So here tally marks are completed. We have only wrote, or we have marked those tally marks in column tally bars. Now count the number of tally marks in front of margins of victories. So how many margins of victory for 1? That means margins of victory is 1. So how many total tally marks are there? 9. Then for 2, 14. Then 3, 7. 4 is 5, 5, 3 and 6, 2. So we have just completed the table. So number of matches won by the margin of victory 1 is 9. Then number of matches with the margin of victory are 14. Then with 3, 7, 5, 3 and 2. So how many matches are there? 40. So here you can write the total number of observations. So that's why initially it is not necessary to count the number of observations. So which number is repeated maximum number of times? You can identify it very easily. Which margin of victory is repeated most of the times? Obviously it is 2. How many times the team won by the margin of victory? 2. 14 matches are won with the margin of victory 2. So obviously 14 can be considered to be mode of the given data because it is occurred highest number of times or maximum number of times. Thus most of the matches have been won with the victory margin of 2 goals. So the 14 is the mode for the given data. So with the help of tally marks we have solved this example where large number of observations are given. Okay, now next representative value is median of the data, fourth value and last value. How we are going to refer it? Median refers to the value which lies in the middle. Middle means exactly at the center when arranged in an increasing or decreasing order. So here we have to arrange the given values in either increasing or decreasing order. Then we have to find middle and middle value where above and below the same observations are there. Half observations are above it and other half below it. Here we may not get the same value of median and mode. That means median and mode are maybe different. Okay, we'll see it by the with the help of example. Find the median of the data. Data is given. So how many observations are here? 7 observations are given. Okay. Now what is the first step while calculating the median? What is the first important step? Here it is given in the definition. We have to arrange it either in a decreasing order or increasing order. So in the solution, what is the first important step is there? We have to arrange it in a ascending or descending order. So here we are considering it in ascending order. While using the ascending order, which value we have to write first? Lowest value. So we have to start with lowest value and we have to end at highest value. And if we are considering descending order, then highest to lowest. So here we are considering ascending order. So we will start with 17 up to 46. So what is last value? 46. So how we are arranging that in ascending order? 17, 18, 24, 25, 35, 36 and 46. So here which one is the median now? Which value we have to find? Exactly middle value. So here 25 is the middle value. It is exactly at middle. Okay. So we can count the number of observation to the left side as well as to the right side. How many to the left side? 1, 2, 3. And in the same way to the right side 1, 2, 3. So it is exactly at the middle. It is exactly at the middle. So 25 is the median of the given data. So what is the condition? To the left and to the right or above, below, exactly same number of observations should be there. So we get the median. So therefore 25 is the median. Now next example we can take. Similarly, we can solve the second example. Here how many students are there? 17. Consider a group of 17 students with the following heights in centimeter. So heights are given and we have to find out the median. So total number of observations are here 17. So here we have to arrange it in an increasing order or descending order. So what we are going to see? Ascending order. So we have to start with a lowest value. Can you observe the lowest value in the given set? Which is it? 101. Correct. It is a lowest value in the given set of measurement. And can you identify which one is the highest height? Which one is the highest here? 123 or 125? 125 is the last value. That means we have to start with 101 and we have to end at 125. Okay. Now here as the number of observations are larger, while arranging in the ascending order, again you have to use the same method which we have seen in the previous example. Cut the observation which is already noted, so it will not repeat. So to avoid the repeating of observations, you have to cut from the given set of measurements or given set of observations with the help of pencil. So first one is 101, so cross the 101. Next after 101, 102, then 106, then 109, then 110 is now repeated two times, so you have to write it two times. Then 112, next one is 112, cut it and write it in the next number. The next one is 115. How many times it is repeated? 5 times total. How many times it is repeated? 5 times. So you have to write it how many times? 5 times. All 115 you have to cut from the given set. Next one is 117. Then 120 is repeated 2 times. Then 123 and 125. It is our ascending order. Okay. Now, how to find median? It is exactly at the middle. So to the left and to the right side, equal number of observations should be there. So in order to find out the median, first of all you have to consider number of observations. How many observations are there? 17. Okay, total number of observations are 17. So here just divide by 2 to that total number of observations. What answer you will get? 8.5. Okay, so just ignore the remaining part. Which part? The part which is after the decimal point. Just ignore that part and consider the first number. What is the first number? 8. So how many numbers you have to count? How many observations you have to count? 8 observations in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then ninth value is considered to be median. So just divide by 2 to the given number of observation, and whatever be the starting number, then those are the left part and that same number are the right part. So on the left part 8 observations are there, on the right part again 8 observations are there. So 115 is the middle value, so which is considered to be median of the data. So here in this case median and mode both are same, so they may be same or they may not be same. Okay, so this is it. You can, in this way you can find the mode and median. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you already subscribed the channel. If you haven't subscribed or liked our channel, please like, subscribe and share, and also press the bell icon so you will get the updates in the future. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.